Hey, what's up, everybody? It's Craig. I'm pumped to have you here today because we're talking about something that can seriously change your financial future, finding those top performing stocks that can fuel massive growth in your portfolio. Before we dive in, if you're new here, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos about building wealth and crushing your financial goals. And stick around until the end of the video because I'm sharing a bonus tip about a stock that's been absolutely on fire lately. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. First up, let's talk about Nvidia. This company is an absolute powerhouse in the world of technology, and for a good reason. They're leading the charge in artificial intelligence, gaming, and data centers, all industries that are exploding right now. And the best part, this is just the beginning. Think about it. AI is revolutionizing everything from self-driving cars to healthcare. And who's powering all that AI? Nvidia. Their graphics processing units, or GPUs, are the brains behind these incredible advancements, and the demand is only going to skyrocket in the coming years. But it's not just AI where Nvidia shines. They're also a dominant force in the gaming world. Gamers know that if you want the best graphics and performance, you go with Nvidia. Their GeForce GPUs are legendary, and they're constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible in gaming. And let's be real, gaming isn't just a hobby anymore, it's a multi-billion-dollar industry. With esports exploding in popularity and the metaverse on the horizon, Nvidia is perfectly positioned to capitalize on this massive growth. But wait, there's more. Nvidia is also a major player in the world of data centers. As more and more data is generated every single day, the demand for powerful data centers is growing exponentially. And guess what? Nvidia's GPUs are essential for powering these data centers. They provide the computational power needed for everything from cloud computing to scientific research. So, when you invest in Nvidia, you're not just investing in one company, you're investing in the future of AI, gaming, and data centers. Talk about a triple threat. Next up, we're shifting gears to the world of renewable energy with Tesla. Now, I know what you're thinking. Tesla, isn't that just an electric car company? And while they do make some pretty awesome electric vehicles, Tesla is so much more than that. They're at the forefront of a global energy revolution, leading the charge in clean energy with their solar panels, Powerwall battery systems, and of course, their electric vehicles. And with the world moving towards a more sustainable future, Tesla is in the driver's seat. Think about it. Climate change is real, and the demand for clean energy solutions is only going to increase. Tesla is strategically positioned to meet this demand with their innovative technology and their commitment to a sustainable future. They're not just building cars, they're building an entire ecosystem of clean energy products that have the potential to change the world. And that's a powerful investment opportunity you don't want to miss. Now, I know Tesla has had its fair share of ups and downs in the stock market, but let's look beyond the short-term fluctuations and focus on the bigger picture. Tesla is a company that's constantly innovating, pushing boundaries, and disrupting industries. They're not afraid to take risks, and that's what makes them so exciting. If you're looking for a long-term investment with massive growth potential, Tesla is definitely worth considering. All right, let's talk healthcare, a sector that's always ripe for growth. And when it comes to cutting-edge advancements, Moderna, ticker symbol MRNA, is a company that's caught my eye. You might know them from their COVID-19 vaccine, but Moderna is much more than a one-hit wonder. They're pioneers in mRNA technology, a game changer in how we treat diseases. Think about it. mRNA technology allows them to develop therapies for a wide range of conditions, from cancer to rare genetic diseases. This isn't just about treating symptoms. It's about potentially curing diseases at the source. Moderna is at the forefront of this medical revolution, and that's a powerful position to be in, especially for long-term investors like us. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Graham, isn't Moderna's success tied to the pandemic? And while the COVID-19 vaccine was a massive win for them, it's just the tip of the iceberg. Moderna has a deep pipeline of potential blockbuster drugs in development. We're talking about personalized cancer vaccines, treatments for autoimmune diseases, and even therapies for previously untreatable conditions. This pipeline is constantly growing too. Moderna reinvests heavily in research and development, ensuring they stay ahead of the curve in the rapidly evolving world of mRNA technology. That consistent innovation is what excites me most about Moderna. They're not just riding the wave of one success, they're building a whole new wave of medical breakthroughs. Look, I'm all about investing in companies that are shaping the future. And when it comes to healthcare, Moderna is doing just that. They're not afraid to push boundaries and challenge the status quo. They're constantly innovating and pushing the limits of what's possible in medicine. Now, investing in biotech always comes with risks, and Moderna is no exception. But for those who believe in the power of innovation and the potential of mRNA technology, Moderna presents a compelling opportunity for long-term growth. Remember, this isn't financial advice, but from my perspective, Moderna is a company to watch closely in the years to come. Now let's move on to a company that needs no introduction, Amazon. Talk about a dominant force in the market. We all know Amazon as the e-commerce giant, but they've expanded their empire far beyond online shopping. Cloud computing with AWS, logistics and delivery, media streaming, even healthcare. Amazon's tentacles are everywhere. This diversification is key to Amazon's continued success. They're not just reliant on one revenue stream. They've built a robust ecosystem that caters to nearly every aspect of our digital lives. And let's be honest, who doesn't love the convenience of Amazon Prime? That subscription model alone creates a sticky ecosystem that keeps customers coming back for more. While e-commerce remains a core part of their business, Amazon's growth in other areas is truly impressive. They've diversified their portfolio far beyond just online shopping. AWS, their cloud computing platform, is a cash cow, generating significant revenue and driving innovation in the tech industry. It's powering businesses of all sizes worldwide, from startups to large enterprises, enabling them to scale and grow efficiently. And they're not slowing down. Amazon continues to push the boundaries of what's possible. Amazon's constantly investing in new technologies, such as robotics and artificial intelligence, to streamline operations and enhance customer experience. They're also expanding into new markets. both geographically and in terms of industry sectors. They're like that friend who always has multiple side hustles going on, and they're crushing it in every single one. Their ability to juggle various ventures is remarkable. From logistics to entertainment, Amazon is making its mark in numerous fields, proving their versatility and ambition. Think about their recent forays into grocery delivery with Amazon Fresh and Whole Foods, revolutionizing how we shop for groceries. Or their push into healthcare with Amazon Pharmacy, aiming to make healthcare more accessible and convenient. They're strategically positioning themselves to become even more integral to our daily lives with smart home devices and other innovative services. This relentless expansion and innovation make Amazon a compelling long-term investment. Investors see the potential for continued growth and profitability. They're not just keeping up with the times, they're setting the pace for the entire consumer goods sector, leading the way with their forward-thinking strategies. Amazon's influence on the market is undeniable, and their commitment to innovation ensures they remain at the forefront of the industry. Now, Amazon's stock price might seem high, but remember, you're investing in a company that consistently delivers growth. Over the years, Amazon has shown an impressive ability to not only meet, but exceed market expectations. Their stock price reflects the confidence investors have in their long-term vision and execution. They've got a proven track record of innovation, execution, and market dominance. From their humble beginnings as an online bookstore, Amazon has expanded into a global powerhouse, revolutionizing industries from retail to cloud computing. Their ability to innovate and adapt has been key to their sustained success. Of course, no investment is without risk. The stock market is inherently volatile, and even giants like Amazon are not immune to market fluctuations. Investors must be prepared for potential ups and downs, understanding that long-term gains often come with short-term challenges. Competition in e-commerce and cloud computing is heating up. Rivals are constantly emerging, each trying to carve out their own piece of the market. However, Amazon's extensive infrastructure and customer loyalty provide a formidable barrier to entry for new competitors. But Amazon has a knack for adapting and outmaneuvering its rivals. Their continuous investment in cutting-edge technology, such as robotics and artificial intelligence, keeps them ahead of the curve. Strategic planning and a forward-thinking approach ensure they remain leaders in their fields. Plus, their sheer size and scale give them a significant competitive advantage. With a vast network of distribution centers and a global reach, Amazon can deliver products faster and more efficiently than most competitors. This logistical prowess is a cornerstone of their business model. They can afford to invest heavily in research and development, experiment with new ideas, and even take the occasional loss if it means staying ahead of the game. This willingness to innovate and take calculated risks has led to groundbreaking advancements and new revenue streams. In the world of investing, it's rare to find a company that ticks so many boxes: strong leadership, a diversified business model, a history of innovation, and a massive market opportunity. Amazon's leadership team has consistently demonstrated their ability to steer the company through various challenges and capitalize on new opportunities. Amazon checks all those boxes and more. Their commitment to growth, innovation, and customer satisfaction makes them a compelling choice for long-term investors. As they continue to expand and evolve, Amazon remains a dominant force in the market, poised for future success. So there you have it. We've covered some exciting ground today. 4 incredible companies across different sectors, each with its own unique strengths and potential for growth. These companies are all poised for huge growth in the coming years, making them excellent candidates for your investment portfolio. Remember, investing in the stock market is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about patience, strategy, and making informed decisions. These are companies you can feel good about holding on to for the long haul. Their innovative approaches and market leadership make them solid choices. Be sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss our monthly stock updates. Staying informed is key to successful investing. Every month, we'll be bringing you the best opportunities for long-term growth in the market. Our goal is to help you make the most of your investments. That's all for today's video. We hope you found the information valuable and insightful. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with others who are looking to grow their wealth. Your support helps us reach more people. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy investing. Remember, the journey to financial success is ongoing, and we're here to guide you every step of the way.